Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this 5 minutes easy hairstyle on your short 4C hair. Okay, so first I'm going to be applying water to my hair in order to loosen it up a bit. Then I'm going to proceed to sectioning the hair the way I want it. So now I'm sectioning the back out. That's where the bone is gonna be. Then going to the front to section it also. So I'm just trying to create a C part here. Then I'm going to hold one side away so I can work with the other side. And then I'm gonna go with my Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener in order to moisturize my hair. Then I'm going to seal the moisture in with my oil. So now I'm just detangling my hair. Then I'll go in with my Ecostyler. I'm just brushing the hair together so it's easy for me when I'm conrolling it. Now I'm going on to the other side. So this is how I want to section the other side because I wanted a twist to the hairstyle. I wanted it to be different. So now I decided to go from the back to the front, then to the back. I hope you understand now. I hope it makes sense. So now to the back. Then I'm going to proceed to lay my edges. All done. Okay, so I'm going to go in to prep the back as well. Then I'm going to hold that together. Then I'm gonna lay my hair with a scarf. Then proceed to my makeup. So now brows are done. Liner, check. Look at that. So moving on to foundation. I'm using my Fit Me as my concealer. Just using it to highlight my face. So using my Fit Me loose powder to set my face. Now I'm contouring my nose, and I'm going to be setting my face with my Nuban Beauty setting spray. So I'm going to be applying my blush. Look at that. Then my e.l.f. highlighter. And taking off my scarf in slow motion. Like, damn, girl. Then I'm gonna be adding my braiding hair to my bun. And that is the complete hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family. You don't know who might want to try this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.